Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our Journey to Wellbeing series on our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the energizing world of cardiovascular exercise, exploring its remarkable benefits for our body and mind. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just starting out, this video is for you. Cardiovascular exercise, often simply called cardio, is any movement that raises your heart rate and increases blood circulation. Let's talk about the top 5 benefits of incorporating cardio into your routine. Benefit number 1, improved heart health. Cardio strengthens your heart, making it more efficient at pumping blood. Research from the American Heart Association shows that regular cardio reduces the risk of heart disease, the leading cause of death globally. Benefit number 2, enhanced mental health. According to a study published in the Journal of Clinical Psychiatry, regular cardio exercise significantly reduces symptoms of depression and anxiety. It's a natural mood lifter. Benefit number 3, weight management. Combining cardio with a healthy diet is key for weight loss and maintenance. The Journal of Obesity highlights how aerobic exercises like running or swimming burn calories and help maintain a healthy weight. Benefit number 4, boosted immune system. Regular cardio can strengthen your immune system, as found in research by Frontiers in Immunology. It helps in better circulation of immune cells, making it easier to fight off viruses and bacteria. Benefit number 5, increased stamina and energy. Over time, cardio builds your endurance, as per a study in the European Journal of Applied Physiology. This means more energy and less fatigue in your daily life. So, how should you get started? I recommend engaging in moderate-intensity cardio exercises like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming for at least 150 minutes per week. You can also opt for 75 minutes of high-intensity activities like running or aerobics. The key is consistency. And remember, always listen to your body and adjust your routine as needed. Below this video, you'll find links to some great cardiovascular exercise equipment and resources to help you on your journey. As we wrap up, I want to leave you with a positive thought: your health is an investment, not an expense. So, let's invest in ourselves with every step, every breath, and every beat of our heart. Thank you for joining me on this journey to well-being. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wellness tips. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.